We just pulled up to my buddy Austin's shop where he works, and we got the golf cart up on the lift. We're gonna cut the headers right about here all the way through, and then we're gonna hole saw this exhaust pipe through, weld them to this, and then we're gonna come out from a 90 here, and then a 45, then another 45, and run straight out the back. And the muffler is gonna be the stock Suzuki Katana muffler, and we're just gonna cut that right here and weld it up. But I'll keep you guys following along as we keep moving on this project. Alright, so we just got done running our hole saw through here. This is going to be our exhaust manifold. And we're going to cut it at an angle, probably 45-degree angle, put a plate right here to follow that out. And then we're going to run our 90 here, start shooting them out, and our header's going to go in. So as you see, we just got done welding this up. It's gonna fit just like this inside here. We already cut off one of the heads, one of the pipes. We're gonna start cutting these off, and he's over there modifying them now. I'm gonna get this header in there in no time at all. Guys, check out this header we designed off of a 1928 Dodge D8 coupe. All right, so right now we're tacking up the headers, and then we're gonna cut them back off and weld them up. Just about done welding up the exhaust. Like I say, this thing's gonna look really good when it's done. I'm really curious about how it's sounding because I turned out not using the factory exhaust that came with this engine. Like I said, we ended up using the other bike that I had donated to me from another guy who watches my channel. It's actually a Vance & Hines pipe. I don't know how good it's gonna sound. Hopefully it doesn't sound too ricey, but like I said, we'll find out when she's running. Coming soon from Vance & Hines 2020 exhaust custom for gsxf600 golf cart. Yes, almost there. It's in. Yeah, she's in. Man, it was a late night last night. I didn't get home till 2 o'clock in the morning. We got the header on, and man, dude, I'm telling you, I am so pumped about that exhaust manifold. Thing looks great. And I was gonna use the stock exhaust like I said earlier, but this one came on another bike I got for free from another guy who watches my channel, which I really grateful for. But so right now, only thing left to do is do the wiring harness, hook up the throttle cable, hook up the clutch, make a clutch pedal, hook up the chain. Well, I gotta weld the hub and the sprocket on. I'm gonna run a 28 tooth sprocket on a 14 up front. And then I'm trying to decide where to put the fuel tank too. Like last night, we was kind of messing around, putting it up front and then cutting up the front clip so it kind of sticks out of it, but it'll be like really deep. It'll be sitting way back here. Or put it right back here sticking up, but it also sticks way out too. But I think it'd be cool to use the stock gas tank, so we still use the fuel gauge and all that stuff, the vacuum pump on it. And then, like I said, the wiring, all that stuff. Oh, I want to take the header back off and paint it red. There's one request I'm asking everyone who watches this video. So I'm looking to change the name of the YouTube channel. And I'm also looking for a good name for this golf cart. And I'm looking for a good name for the buggy I built that has the same engine in it. Now you go back in my history on my YouTube channel, you'll find those videos of where I built that one. And it's a lot of fun. It's crazy. I think this one would be a little bit more fun. But I am looking for some good names for them for the future, just so I don't have to keep saying golf cart. I can just call it whatever name you guys decide. So every one of you watch this videos, go down below, hit comment. It doesn't take but a couple minutes to think about it, and it only takes a couple seconds to leave a comment. And like I said, if I find one I like, I'll shoot you out on the next video, which will be probably when we do the wiring harness next.